Hello, I'm Miss Hay, and I want to do a really quick review of a transcript. Transcript is really just a record of what you've done in high school. Now, this is a copy of a student's, and if you'll look at the top, school year is 2020 to 2021, which is our year now. You'll look on the left, you'll see all the classes a student is enrolled in, their first semester grade, and then second semester they're currently enrolled in. Anything that has an asterisk or 2 by it is what they're enrolled in now. You'll see the credit they earned, and you'll notice over here where it says EL, FA, LA, MA, so I'll talk a little bit more about those in a minute, what those mean. There's your GPA, which stands for grade point average, which really is just a mathematical formula of what kind of student they are. Their GPA is 3.5, which actually is an AB average student, and sure enough, that's what this student makes is A's and B's. Far right bottom is important because that is your graduation credit summary. So it lists all the credits and classes you need to graduate. At the bottom, you'll see that the total credits you need are 26. Then they'll separate them between the types of credits or classes that you need. Electives, you need 9 credits, and those are classes that are just kind of anything you want or that don't fall into a particular category. Fine arts, you need a full credit of that, and that can be 2 semesters or a full year. Those are classes like drama or music or art classes. Government, you need to pass that. It's a full year class. Health is a class you take, and that's a semester. They want 4 credits of 4 years of language arts, 3 years of math or 3 credits of math. Oral communications is a semester's credit. And oral communications are classes like acting, human communications, speech, debate. Those all count for oral communications. Personal finance is a class like health. It's a class you have to pass, and it's only offered to juniors and seniors. PE, you need a full year or a full credit of that. And again, that can be 1 full year, 1 year, or a semester 1 year and a semester another year, as long as you get it done before you're finished with high school. Practical arts, you need a semester of that. And that really are classes that you just ought to know how to do. Driver's ed, cooking, anything that would be business related or technology related counts for practical arts. Science, you need 3 years or 3 credits of that. One of those must be biology, so you must take and pass biology. Social studies, you need 2 of those. And then you need 2 years or 2 credits of social studies. One of those must be American history, so you must take and pass American history. Okay, so up here, remember we talked about EL, FA, some of these letters. Those are the types of credits that they count for. So here's Algebra 1 Plus. It's an EL, which is an elective, EL, elective. So up here under electives, it lists Algebra 1 Plus. So that's a way to kind of tell what type of credits those are. So OC is Acting 1. Remember that student finished her oral communications, and there it is listed. So that's a really good overview of a transcript. You will need this transcript as you build your ICAP and as you enroll. So go ahead and go find it so you can work with it when you build your ICAP.